Hi friends, in our previous two parts we have seen how we have designed a form and the input data we have taken to a new page and action page where in different ways we have taken. So that part we have already discussed. Now we'll see how a data in a form will submit to a new window keeping the parent window intact, so we can further work on the parent window. And also we can have multiple submit buttons where the data can be submitted to different pages in a different windows. We'll learn that part. We have a test.html page with a form start and end tags. One small input box is here. You can see the output also here. By default the value is set it to +2 net. One default value is there. We'll add one button, so one submit button. This, so we'll say input type equal to submit, value equal to, now I am giving that to understand that where I am submitting test5.php. This is the file where it will be submitting, so that's why I am giving the name here. You can see the action also. You can see this action is also test5, so it will go to test5.php. Now in this, I have not closed it, I am just giving on click. On click I am just giving a property here. This is another way. This form target equal to, now I will give underscore blank. So this page will be submitting to a, it will be outside here. Okay, this page will be submitting to a blank, means a new window will open and test5 will be opened in that, and it is submitting to test5 in a new window. I am saving this, refreshing this page. Test5.php has come up. Now you watch it. You can see test5.php in another window is there. My parent window is intact. It is in a different window. I'll close this test5. So by adding this particular one, this form target equal to blank attribute, I'll able to open this or send the data to a new window, keeping my parent window intact. Now let's slightly change it. We'll add one more button. Input type equal to submit, value equal to, I'll give test6. test6.php, and in that PHP page I have already created it all. In fact, all these test pages I have created. What I am writing is, I am writing the page name so you can easily understand which page it is and what data is received in the PHP code I have written. So here it will be printed +2 net because that is what the data we are writing. Now again back to our page here. Input type submit, value is equal to text6. Now here on click, whatever we'll write, now slightly different will write. On click we'll say f1, sorry, f1 is the name of the form. Here we are given f1 dot action attribute. I am setting it to test6.php, and so this is one part of it. Another thing, I also want that this target to be changed. This is another way I am setting the target, that is f1 dot target equal to, I will write underscore blank. Now this particular page will do two things for me. It will submit to target different page, and in a different window, in a new window it will open. So you can see what I have written is f1 action is test6, f1 target is blank. So let me save this. I have come here, refresh this. Let's see how it works. You can see text6 page has opened and keeping my original page is intact here. Text6 page is open. Now let me close it. Can I add one more? Yes, we can add. Let's just copy this. You can see the same data, multiple submit buttons. So I am coming here. I'll just to differentiate it, I will see test7. Here also I'll give test7. Same thing, rest I will be same. Let me save this, refresh this. One more button should come. I can open it, test7. You can see this is a test7 page has come up. So like that I'll just close this, and any number of pages. Test6 I can open. Let me come back again. Let me click this. Test7 also is open. So test6 page, test7 page, and this is my parent pages remains open. This is how I can submit the data in a new window and to multiple pages also.